Flipgrid is an excellent app you can use to hear from every single student and have them record themselves explaining something. When it's embedded in Canvas, you'll have to add it for each class. Under each course, you'll go to Settings, Apps, and then make sure it's under Installed. You'll have to also sign into your Flipgrid and find the secret handshake so it connects your Canvas Flipgrid to your personal Flipgrid. Once it is installed, to create an assignment, you'll just go to Assignments, New Assignment, give it a detailed name so students know what to do, and then in the box, you'll tell them what you want them to record in their video. Then come down here to Submission Type, and you're going to select External Tool, and then you will search for Flipgrid and find. And you can find it right here as my Flipgrid, and I will select it. I'm assigning it to everyone, or you can select specific students, and then save and publish. And then it will load, and you'll see that Flipgrid is now embedded in the page for students. So they see the name of the assignment, your detailed directions are up here, and then this is where you could add your topic focus. You can also come in to the actions, and you can edit it so it's moderated, just like you would on any other Flipgrid, so students don't see anyone else's responses till you turn them on. And then students would scroll to the bottom and they'd click Record a Response. This makes it pretty seamless for students. You never need to give them the flip code. They'll just come through Canvas, come to the assignment, record a response, all within this page. As a teacher, one of the benefits of using Flipgrid on Canvas is that you can also grade it using SpeedGrader, and all of your assignments or video responses are listed right here. It's pretty easy for you to then moderate and see how many things you need to still grade, view, and then from SpeedGrader, see who hasn't turned it in. It creates a much easier teacher experience from Flipgrid. Next steps for you, sign into your Canvas account and start setting up your secret handshake from your Flipgrid. Practice setting up videos, creating assignments, and making sure you know how to help students go through the process.